Hey guys, it's Paula Nutting, your musculoskeletal specialist. And I thought I'd do a quick shout out because there's a masterclass that I'm going to be providing, which is a one-day experience that's going to be suitable for people who have done the Chapman's reflex course with me, the neurolymphatic point activation work, but also for people who have got a little bit more experience in the industry and have maybe not done the Chapman's, but would like to know how to accelerate their business practice by adding neurolymphatic point stimulation work, which is that chart back there, into working specifically for patients that you have with neck pain and lower back pain. So we'll be going through some of the information in the Chapman's Reflexes manual, not so much about the history of where it came from and the research behind it, but more about effectively how to source the initial problems that come from poor neural firing. So if the nerves aren't firing properly to the muscles won't have the natural length that they should have to provide a proper contraction. So they don't have the proper contraction and the necessary relaxation phase. What we see with that is changes in our joint angles because the tendons are slightly tighter, so they're not sitting as squarely, and our pathological resting length and space in our capsule is different. What we see from that, our patients are coming to see us with SIJ dysfunctions, bursitis of the hip joint, lower back pain, L5-S1 compliant issues, piriformis problems, which actually not from the piriformis, guys, it's more likely from a tight latissimus dorsi. Functional backline, amazing. Lateral slings, absolutely. We can unpack those to see things like sciatica, pseudo-sciatica, even problems down with your feet or your neck that we can be addressing really simply with the nervous system. One-day course in Brisbane, one-day course in Melbourne, and those courses, the one day in Melbourne is coming up in June 19th, and the one over, not in Brisbane, that's a two-day Chapman's course, guys. The one day in Perth on the other side of Australia is happening on the 9th of October, day before my daughter's birthday. Anyway, if you're interested in finding out more about it, click on the links I'm going to put below and get yourself on board with a one-day masterclass addressing back pain, neck pain with the Chapman's Reflexes, plus muscle energy techniques, a few myofascial glides, some tricky, clever little joint maneuvers on the AC and SC joints, stuff that you will get a real kick and total value from. Contact me. I'm looking forward to giving it to you. Have a great rest of your day, rest of your week. Stay safe, and I love you guys to death. Bye.